Hi, my name is Scott, and I'm going to show you how to get started with FileZilla, how to download it and get it set up. First, you're going to need to go to FileZilla download. FileZilla is a free program. It's a free software that you can download from FileZilla. You can find their website by Googling it. Just punch in FileZilla and you should be able to find it. The address for FileZilla is FileZilla-project.org. That's FileZilla-project.org. And go there. You'll come to this page, and depending on what type of platform you're using for your computer, you will either download this one for all the different kinds of programs, or if you have Windows, download the FileZilla for Windows. If you have Mac or something else, use this. Okay, then once you've downloaded, go to your computer and unzip it. If you don't have an unzip program, I know a lot of computers now have unzip capabilities that come with them. If you do not have that, then you can go to WinZip, WinZip, and they have a free unzipping software that you can download and use. Okay, so go to your computer, unzip it, install it, and this is what you should have. Okay, now a thing about your FileZilla here, this is your computer side and this is your website side. Okay, this is all the files in your computer, and when you log in, you will have the files of your website come up here. Okay, this is the address of your files. Okay, all your files are listed here, and to get started, you can either come up here and punch the Site Manager button here, or you can go to File and use the Site Manager button here. It'll be the same process. Now you're going to have to make a new site. Okay, we're going to I've already done a couple of these trying to get this video right, so I have a few sites here. Okay, first thing you're going to need to do is come in here, punch in new site. Okay, we'll just go with this new site too. Okay, now then come over here and host. This will be your domain name, the name of your site. Without the HTTP or www, it's just the domain name. So for mine, let's go EZ. Okay, this is your domain name only. Leave the port blank. Do not put anything in the port. It'll be filled in automatically. And leave this the same as it is, FTP, File Transfer Protocol. That's what you're doing. The login type, you'll want to go with normal. That's the easiest way to get in. Because with normal, you're going to be going in to your website using your normal user and password name that you usually get into with your site. So whatever you log into your site with, that's what you're going to be using. Okay. Alrighty, and then after that, you just push connect, and you're in. Okay, now these are the files of your website. First, you're going to come up here, open up the main files, and you're going to come down here to public HTML. Don't worry about anything up here. This is all stuff that you will not have any need to get into until you've got quite a bit of experience with working with your website. Okay, almost all the files you're going to need are going to be under your public HTML. Now, none of this will be here. These are files that I've put in here. The only thing you're going to see in here is your WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. What you're going to need to work with mostly is your WP content. Your WP content will have your plugins, themes, upgrades, and uploads. Okay, for what you're mainly going to be using starting out with is your themes and plugins. To upload themes and plugins, I've got my plugin folder open here. You can change your folders around by clicking on different things. Right now you can go to your PLR articles, plugins, whatever you want. It'll change the files down here. And if you look, this is just like the address bar on your on your browser, or anytime you pull up a file, it gives you all these files to look through in your computer. Same thing. Okay, now to upload files into your website. For plugins, you can find your plugins at wordpress.org, and as well as your themes. Go to wordpress.org and you can find new themes and plugins to use. You're probably going to be downloading a lot of different plugins depending on what you want to do with your site, but they all upload the same. This is kind of old hat for WordPress now that they've came out with the 2.7 edition, because now you can upload them by your WordPress browser inside the site. The only thing that you will need this for is if you have problems with that, or if something happens and you can't get into your site because of a plugin that is a security problem, or if you have an older version for some reason. This is how you're going to need to do it. If you have a problem with your plugin, say you set up a security system so that you are the only one allowed to get into it, and for some reason it's not recognizing, you can come in here and go to your plugins and find the plugin that you've installed and delete it, and that will let you back into your site. So for plugins and themes of how to do it, I've already got some of these. I don't think I have that one installed. Anytime you install something, you just click on it, go upload, and here's your files being transferred up here, and it has been uploaded. Okay, now if you don't see it right away, anytime you transfer anything, if you don't see it, this is a pretty big list, so it'd be hard to recognize it. Yeah, no, that's not it. But and the same with over here. If you've downloaded something off your computer and you want to download it over here, you're going to and you've had this open, you're going to need to go back and refresh. Okay, you go to whatever, any other folder, and then come back to the folder that you wanted to upload, because that's the only one that's going to show up. So anyway, you upload them here, and then you'll have that file in the website. And on the next video, I'll be showing you how to make web pages and have them come up with different URLs. See, this is the URLs that you're going to be making. This is your website addresses, and I'll show you how to work with those here in the next video. Thanks. Bye.